Hello and welcome to Erica's Little Creation. Today we are going to be putting a backsplash on the back of the wall in the kitchen. We have a peel and stick towel, which is our Art 3D. Then we have a ruler, scissors, measuring tape, and soap and water. We also have a smooth utility knife kit. You're going to need it. And then here's the overlap here to where you place the towels. This is the film of the towels. You take that off after you place it on there. This is the sticky part that sticks toward the wall, and the wall must be clean. First, you're going to have to line it up of how many towels you're going to need to stick it on the wall. So go ahead and line them up and then get ready to stick them on the wall. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And now you see the tabs, and then you line them up. And this is the after result of it. I just love it. I like how the corner is. It looks like it just flows.
I just love it because
together.
You have an option to pick any pattern that you want to put in your kitchen. So you can place your towel all the way at the top of your cabinets. You could just run the whole wall if you want the whole wall. But I just want the half underneath the cabinet, because that looks very nice. And some people might just want to decorate the whole wall with it, But you could also change it out. You could pull it back up, change it out, put a different kind of pattern that you want in it. That's what I like. So, if you had it installed, in your wall, the real backsplash, oh my goodness, you're going to pay money. Money, money, money. And I'm trying to save you money. So this is a good deal here, is that you can get this Art 3D kitchen backsplash towel stick-on, and it works. It works. Let me tell you, I just love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with friends and family, and also comment. Leave me a nice comment or tell me something that I should have added off into this video. Just leave me a comment, and God bless you. Thank you.